Just simply come onto this website, sign up for absolutely free, then come over here and start making thousands of dollars every single month. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate $1,024 per week online as a complete beginner. Guys, this method works worldwide and you don't need any investment, skill or experience whatsoever to get started. But guys, before we move any further, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer that the following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So if you skip any step, then I cannot guarantee that this method will or will not work for you. So guys, make sure to stick around until the very end of this video and not skip anything. And without wasting any more time, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to clickfunnels.com. Now guys, clickfunnels.com is going to be the platform that we're going to be using for this particular method. Now, what is clickfunnels.com? Now guys, ClickFunnels is basically a platform that is going to let you make money through a lot of different funnels and through a lot of different affiliate links. Now, how does that work? You essentially don't need to do anything whatsoever. All that you need to do is simply establish a separate source of income for yourself right now in this video, and then after that you want to do absolutely anything. So the best part is that they are also offering a 14-day free trial right now if you want to go full pro. But if you don't want to go full pro, well then it's absolutely fine. You don't need that trial anyway. So scrolling down, you can see that they have 108,000 users, over 1.7 billion contacts, 8.8 million funnels, and $12.1 billion processed. So what is a funnel? What's exactly the difference between a website and a sales funnel? Now, ClickFunnels is a website and sales funnel is a builder for entrepreneurs. So you can guide your visitors step by step, you can point your customers straight to one product, and you can follow up with your visitors even if they leave your page. Now guys, now what I want you to do is simply click on the top right corner where it says member login. Now once you click on member login, click on sign up. And then once you click on sign up, that is going to take you over to their sign up page. So from over here, sign up for absolutely free, and I'm going to catch you guys in step number 2 once I've signed up myself. Step number 2. So in step number 2, once you have signed up successfully, you will be able to access their affiliate page from the top right corner. Over here, there is going to be a button that you can simply click and then click on affiliate, and then you will see this in front of you. Now, once you come on to this website, you will need to sign up as an affiliate once again. But for now, leave that and first understand how this method is going to work. So ClickFunnels basically has an affiliate program. An affiliate program is basically a program where a company pays you to basically promote their products, and then you can keep a certain percentage of commission with yourself. So in this case, ClickFunnels is going to pay you 40% monthly recurring commissions for life. Whenever a person buys a product, well then you will get 40% commissions worldwide. Now over here you can see all the details, and then here is a quick list. So like they also give you all the .com secrets, all the expert secrets, traffic sensors, basically everything that you can possibly think of you will get in the form of passive income once a person signs up through your referral link. Now over here, now what I want you to do is simply like take a look at all of the products they are offering, and you can promote any one of these products depending upon what your target audience is. But guys, honestly, in this method I'm gonna show you also a couple of ways through which you can basically sell any one of these products, and you don't need to like have a certain amount of customer research or customer service. You don't need anything like that. All that you'll need is simply some passion. So now what I want you to do is simply sign up, and then once you sign up, after that simply get the affiliate link of any one of these products. I'm not gonna waste your time with that because that really takes up a lot of time, but once you guys do that, you will see one button like giving you all the affiliate links, and you can simply copy those affiliate links and then move on to step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, I want you to come on to google.com and I want you to type in shrinkme.io. Now guys, shrinkme.io is going to be the website that is going to add up in your earnings on ClickFunnels. Now guys, because ClickFunnels links get a lot of clicks worldwide, and that is why we need to have, you know, like multiple sources of income for ourselves. Now shrinkme.io is basically a link shortening service. Now what that means is you will essentially be like, you know, shortening your own link, and then whenever a person clicks on that shortened link, you will get money because they will be showed an ad to you. Now over here, simply create an account for absolutely free, shorten your own link, and then simply start to earn money. Now from over here, you can see that they have the highest rates, the lowest minimum payout, and also a 20% referral bonus. Now they also offer 61 million total clicks, 12 million total URLs, and over 1.1 million registered users. So now what I want you to do is simply click on the top right corner where it says register and sign up for absolutely free. And I'm gonna catch you guys in just a second once I've signed up myself. So once you've signed up, and now you will see this dashboard in front of you. Now over here you can see your total views, all the views that your link gets, you will see that over here. And then you have your total earnings, your referral earnings, your average CPM, and many more important things too. So now what I want you to do is click on new shortened link, and then from over here simply paste your affiliate link over here. Now the link that you will get from ClickFunnels, you will have to simply paste it over here and then click on shorten. Now I'm gonna paste a demo link over here just to show you how it's gonna look like. Click on shorten, and then after that, yeah, so like it's gonna look something like this. So like simply copy this URL and then come on to Google once again, type in make money online forums, and then simply open up these first couple of forums. Now guys, you will be amazed at like how many people actually wanna make money online. You will see hundreds and hundreds of people like waiting over here to see ways to make money online. And what you can do is that you can simply like, you know, send them this link on these forums, and you can tell them that like, hey, if you want to get started making money online, simply watch this video, the video that you guys are watching right now, and then simply paste your affiliate link below the link of our video. That is gonna like get them to watch the video too and get some value. And then once they see some value, they will definitely click on your link to get access to ClickFunnels.com. And once they buy any one of these products, guys, you are literally set for life, because like once a person signs up, they never ever leave. Now share this paragraph in all of these forums, because like that is the only way that you will be able to make a lot of money. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, this was the video, and this was basically the method. Now if you guys still have any questions for me, just let me know and I will be sure to answer all your questions. But guys, this was the video. So if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.